Hi, so my name is Ruby Andorian, and welcome to my very first tutorial video. And today I'm going to be talking about Google Slides. So first off, if you haven't already done it, open up your internet page to google.com, and then on the side here where the square boxes are, and it says apps, click on that, and go down to click on more. And again click on even more from Google, and so it'll bring you to another page of other programs that Google offers, but we're going to scroll down and look for the one that we're going to be using today. So under the home and office category you should see Google Slides, so we're going to click on that. And basically what I'm going to be talking about today is getting started with it and creating one. So once you're on this page, there's a button on the bottom here for create new presentation, so that's what we're going to do. And this is a pop-up that asks you to choose a theme or how the look of your presentation. So I'm just going to pick this one. Click OK. So then you can start your presentation. You can start editing your text. So what I'm going to do, just write this. Welcome. Now another thing you can do is if you want to add a new slide, you can click on this button up here that says with the plus, and it'll add a new one for you, and you can do other things. Now I'm not going to get into too much detail until another video, but there's also other things you can do like layouts, themes, transitions, and once you're doing all that editing and stuff, if you wanted to take a break and step away from your presentation for a while, you can click on this button up here that says Slides Home, and it will show you all the presentations that you've been working on. And so this is the one we just started there. So if you wanted to go back and edit it some more, you can click right on it. And so I think the next thing I'm going to do is just give it a title now. So we click up here where it says Untitled Presentation, and this will pop up, so we can start writing. And I think I'm just going to call it Google Slides Tutorial, since that's what we're doing today. Now, it is much like a PowerPoint presentation, so if you're familiar with that, you should be fairly familiar with this as well. Like you can do all the transitions and you can insert pictures and videos and word art, much like on a PowerPoint presentation. So I'm not going to get into that too much till another video if needed. So basically right now I'm going to show you how to share it. Say if you are done editing and stuff and you wanted to start showing your presentation. So I'm just going to email it to a friend in one of my classes. And if you click send, and you'll see here it says shared with one person, so that means you've already sent it to that person, and you can send it to even more that you've entered in as their email addresses. And so as you can see with that, this with all the sharing capabilities, this would be a great tool for teachers to use for sharing presentations amongst each other, and even a great tool to use in class with students, showing them assignments and stuff, because once you send it to someone and you give them access to edit and stuff here, they can add stuff to the presentation, add comments, I believe. So that makes it really a collaborative program. But I think I'm going to wrap it up here now, and on another video I'll probably get into more of the animations and editing part. But that's basically how to get started and start creating one. And thank you, and hope you enjoyed the video, and hope it was informative.